Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you feel constant heaviness without reason, if problems appear suddenly in your life, if peace leaves your heart even though you pray, know this: not every hardship is black magic. Not every pain is the evil eye, but both do exist, and Allah has already given us protection. Today we will not rely on fear. We will rely on the Qur'an, the names of Allah, and authentic Sunnah. Stay with me till the end. This knowledge can change your life. Islam does not deny reality. Allah says in the Qur'an, "And from the evil of those who blow on knots," Surah Al-Falaq. This verse directly refers to sihr, black magic. The Prophet himself was affected by magic, and Allah cured him through revelation. As for the evil eye, the Prophet said, "The evil eye is real," Sahih Muslim. So yes, it exists, but here is the key truth. Nothing affects you unless Allah allows it. Fear does not protect you. Tawakkul does. Not every difficulty is sihr or nazar. Sometimes Allah tests you to raise your rank, clean your sins, bring you closer to Him. If hardship brings you closer to Allah, it is a blessing. If hardship pushes you away from Salah, Qur'an, and hope, then you may need spiritual protection. Islam teaches balance, not paranoia. Possible signs include sudden hatred between spouses without reason, repeated nightmares, extreme tiredness without medical cause, sudden loss of motivation in worship, strong discomfort when Qur'an is recited. Important reminder, these are indicators, not proof. Never accuse people without certainty. Never destroy relationships based on suspicion. Shaitan fears one thing more than anything, not ruqyah, not water, not oil. He fears pure Tawheed. When you truly believe, Allah alone controls harm and benefit, magic becomes weak. Say this from your heart: Hasbi Allahu la ilaha illa huwa. Allah is enough for me. The Prophet never slept without protection. Recite every morning and evening Ayatul Kursi, Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times, Surah Al-Falaq 3 times, Surah An-Nas 3 times. Blow lightly into your hands and wipe over your body. This takes less than 5 minutes, but it builds a wall no magic can cross. Healing does not come from the reciter. Healing does not come from water. Healing does not come from oil. Healing comes only from Allah. Everything else is a means. Sit calmly. Make sincere intention. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha 7 times. Ayatul Kursi. Last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, An-Nas. Blow into your hands and wipe your body. You can also recite over water and drink it. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Recite Bismillah alladhi la yadurru ma'asmiha shay'un 3 times morning and evening, and A'udhu bi kalimatillahi tammati min sharri ma khalaq. These du'as are shields taught by the Prophet himself, running to fake healers, using amulets and charms, obsessing over who did magic, leaving salah while seeking cure. Remember, you cannot cure spiritual harm by disobeying Allah. The Prophet said, "Do not turn your houses into graveyards." Recite Surah Al-Baqarah in your home. Shaitan flees from that house. Keep music low. Keep salah alive. Keep Qur'an audible. Light enters where Qur'an is recited. Real protection comes from regular salah, halal income, forgiveness, charity, dhikr. The closer you are to Allah, the farther harm stays from you. Ya Allah, protect us from what we see and what we do not see. Protect our hearts, homes, and families. Make the Qur'an our cure. Remove every harm, every fear, every darkness. If this reminder helped you, share it with someone who needs peace. Allah is the best protector, and He is enough.